Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 vs. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a front-engine rear-wheel driven American sports car powered by a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This engine generates 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is also a front-engine rear-wheel driven American sports car which is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This bigger engine generates 650 horsepower, which is 110 horsepower less than the Mustang, and 650 pound-feet of torque, which is a little more than the Mustang. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Mustang GT500 will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, to 100 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds and to 150 miles per hour in 15.1 seconds. GT500 will do a quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 132 miles per hour. Top speed is claimed to be 180 miles per hour. Camaro will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, to 100 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds and to 150 miles per hour in 19.2 seconds. Camaro will do a quarter mile in 11.5 seconds at 124 miles per hour. Top speed is claimed to be 190 miles per hour. EPA fuel economy of the GT500 is 14 combined, 12 city, and 18 highway in mpg. Braking distance from 70 miles per hour is 150 feet. EPA fuel economy of the Camaro is 16 combined, 13 city, and 21 highway in mpg. Braking distance from 70 miles per hour is 137 feet.
When exterior dimensions are compared, the Camaro ZL1 has a longer wheelbase, and less curb weight than the GT500. On the other hand, the GT500 has more length, width and height. Starting price of the Camaro is $63,000 and the Mustang GT500 is a little more, $72,000. You get 85 cubic feet of passenger volume and 14 cubic feet trunk volume in the Mustang, while the Camaro has only 83 and 9 cubic feet. When interiors are compared, the Camaro's interior looks more modern and futuristic with cool features like heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a wireless phone charging pad. Ambient lighting than the Mustang. Both gets power driver and passenger seats as standard. The Camaro's rear seat feels especially small due to the design of the body, and it pretty cramped with 29.9 inches of legroom and 33.5 inches of headroom. The Mustang comes with a slightly more livable 30.6 inches legroom and 34.8 inch headroom. ZL1 comes with more features like an optional sunroof, head-up display, seat memory, remote trunk release, which are not available in the Mustang. When it comes to safety features there is not much difference, but ZL1 get cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitor as standard, which are optional for the Mustang. Which interior looks nice? Comment in the comment section below. So, what is the final verdict? The Camaro may have some luxury features over the Mustang, but no one buys these cars for luxury, and Mustang has more passenger space and trunk space over the ZL1. From 0 to 60, the Camaro with less power is quicker, but after then the horsepower of the Mustang takes the lead in the standing quarter mile, and the Mustang is a little more expensive. Therefore we think that GT500 is the all-rounder here with more performance, and more room. Therefore winner is, the GT500.